Alright, short update. Water levels look like they were here when I just started it yesterday around this time. Here's what I thought it would do. There's where it is. It blizzard. Absolutely blizzard. So we're not gonna head out until tomorrow at the earliest. This one got way too wet with the water drip system, so I put the drip into the bigger pot of ivy. Check this out, guys. Look at how much snow that is. That is a huge, like a foot, maybe a foot and a half of snow right there, butted up to my raised bed there. You can't even tell I have a raised bed over there. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And the apple chips are almost done for my trip. So I have an apple chip video coming out soon. More info on our trip through the blizzard to get out of Wyoming Spring and into Utah Spring. It's going to be so great. And then let's see if these life support work for the plants. Thanks, guys. See you next time.